Hello. Today I'm gonna make a beautiful rainbow heart. First let's do it with pencil and then with red marker. Marker, and then use the orange. Use the oil pastels. And then let's use orange. Now I'm doing orange pastel. I love this orange pastel because it can use very well. Now green. It's so soft to color with. Now I'm putting my hand on the paper so I don't get dirty and have pastels on my hands. Keep coloring. Now I'm gonna do blue. Keep coloring. Some pom-poms. Dot. If you don't have pom-poms, then you cut out some paper. Dot. I put a white dot on this hand. Dot. Hearts are beautiful. I like them. Bye-bye.